What's up, YouTube? Silvercat here, and today's going to be a little bit different type video. You know, it's not going to be coins or any kind of toys or anything like that. I want to start a small handgun collection, and I might get a couple rifles, maybe a 20 gauge or a 12 gauge or something, you know, little home defense. I can't see me ever getting much. I don't really care that much for guns, to be honest. But I don't know. I just wanted to start a little handgun collection. So me and the guy from work went out. Spent all day yesterday going around checking out guns and buying ammo and all that. But I got this one just because a 22 is pretty fun to, you know, target shoot with, and it's not very expensive. Or we'll just say it's not expensive as the other stuff to target shoot with. And I think my wife would like shooting this. So I picked up that. And then when I bought it, I picked up this box of 22s, and then at Walmart I got 4 boxes of them, so I picked up like 650 22 ammo. But I got this at the place where I got the gun, and these actually came from Walmart, and the guy's like, I don't care, you can get 2 of you know, 2 of this caliber and 2 of this caliber or whatever. So me and my buddy, you know, I got 2 of these, and then I bought 2 of the 30-06 for him, and then he did the same thing, and we just switched and made up the difference in cash. And then the one I got for me, I got this 45. Beautiful gun. I'll pick that one up. And now I've always had this 45 auto, but now my auto takes that bullet, and my revolver takes the Colt, and you can see how much bigger that is. But I did luck out. From what I hear, everybody talking about how hard it is to get ammo, so I was able to come up with a box of the auto, and then when I bought the gun, I got a box of the Colt. But that's what I got. Like I said, I'm just getting started. I probably won't get into it big. I haven't even shot them. I probably will shoot this one. I don't know about this one. The bullets are expensive with it, and I just, you know, I might go out there and shoot it one time or something. But, you know, bullets are expensive, and I don't see no need in going out and wasting a bunch of money on shooting at a milk jug or something with these. And, you know, this is totally different here. But from what I hear, the 22 shells are getting hard to find too. But this is Silvercat. I want to thank everybody for watching. And till next time, my friends.